flew away. They just came back. Holy sweet mother Jesus. It's the birds! It's the birds!
Hurry! Throw them, Bobby, throw them!
This is Dad's tradition. To take the kids to feed the seagulls.
With French fries. Here you go! Here you go!
And it's about 70 degrees out.
Oh, he didn't get any. Oh, guys, see him stand up?
They're all standing up, Casey. Uh-oh. More meat now.
Wait a minute, I got a plan. Oh, that's my cheeseburger.
We ran out of fries. Blake ate half, gave Seagulls half.
Mommy!
What?
Chicken nuggets.
No, here's fries. Here's fries.
Oh, we do have more. Oh, let me have them.
No, they won't eat cardboard, Blake.
Oh, get it, get it.
Did you talk to them?
No.
Yeah, you did. You said, oh, hi. Here, Bubby. There's some.
That's awesome, Wally. Come on. Ooh, there's one. I still got some. They're like the cheesy tots.
No, don't throw the cheesy tots. What is wrong with you?
Oh,
no,
man, we don't
those
have
are
any
mamas.
Yeah, I have those. Here, let me see one.
Look at how still they are.
You scared them.
Casey, is this your burger?
Yeah. Mommy, right next to you. Oh.
All three boys are fascinated. You couldn't pay for that kind of entertainment. Is that the daddy bird?
Hold them.
Okay.
Hold them. Can't find way. Mommy, one more cheesy tot, please. Have more cheesy tot. What the freak?
What was that? Oh, it's a loser.
Oh, there you go.
What if it isn't? It's like Earl. You guys see it. If I'm a millionaire, you know why.